project eMediStore, medical inventory and billing system, where that medical shop can use this project to maintain his inventory, stock inventory, and he can purchase, sell the medicine to the customer. Okay, so for this project you need to have Visual Studio and MS Access and Excel for the reporting. Okay, so first we'll start the project. Once you buy this project, you will get the source code folder, which include all the files that FM form file, then the source code, then the database also is there, that access database. Okay, so I'll just start the project. So you'll get installation guide also, installation guide including that your what is the default data ID, password, and which software you need to have in your system, that will be there. Okay. So I'll just open the source code. You have to right click on solution and you have to open it in your Visual Studio, whichever you have installed. I am using Visual Studio 2017 Community Edition. So I'll start that. So here there is a, you have to first just this is a project basically. Okay, so this is the forms. This is a login form. And this is the main screen. Okay, and this is the product, purchase, then report is there, sales is there, staff master is there. Okay, so suppose I want to log in. So this is the login form. If you want to change anything, you can change here. So the coding, you can just check all the coding. Okay, so I'll just start the project. To start, click on start button to start the project. Okay, this is the project. So I have to use that admin as a user ID and password. You can check in installation guide. Click on OK. So it will start the project. Okay, this is the project. So now I want to see all the product. Okay, this is all the product is there. This is the sample data. You will get all the medicine name. So I want to add a new medicine. So I'll click on add new. So I want to product name is COVID-19. So the new product. Product for C19. Purchase price 1,000 rupees. Sales price 1,500. Minimum stock 10. Manufacturer name ABCD. Supplier name ABCD. And save. So I want to search the product. So you have to just type, click here, type here, right? Or you can just go, no sorry, you have to just click this and you have to type here. See, so once you type C, it will filter all the products. So I will COV. So it will all the product related to COV. Then this one. So once you come, just click on or double click here. It will come all the display, whichever you have added. So I want to change that rate. So I want to rate this 1,300. Click on save. It is set. Next time you check, so it will come 1,300. So you can add and you can save also. So if you want to delete, you can delete. Okay. Now I want to first I have to purchase the product. So I will click on purchase. So I have to first click on add new bill. Okay. Now this is the purchase date. This is today's date. If you want to change that date, you can change it. The due date, so I want to give one a bill number. So I can give 1012 bill number, supply name. So this is the supplier already there. This will come from master. So same way, once you type A, so it will filter by A. So I will get this one. Okay, now add new product. This will come add new product. Okay, so I have to type that code, product code. So this C19, COVID-19. It will come, the rate and everything automatically come. So how many you want? I want 20. Batch number 2020. And expiry date. I have to type the date. The expiry date will be 02 November 22. And the free quantity is a 0. Purchase quantity I am purchase 50 quantity. So it will automatically calculate purchase price into purchase quantity. Okay. So then once you click on this, you have to save it. Okay, this particular medicine will save. Soon come. So that's why I want to use another product, add new product. So if I don't know the code, so I can give that medicine name also. Say Pantone 40 mg. So it will come automatically. The code will automatically come. Batch number. So 2025, whatever the batch number. Expiry date. So I can type December 23. The quantity is 0. Purchase quantity is 45. And so the rate will automatically come. That will calculate by 4%. So once you have to add this product, then you have to save the bill. I'll save the bill. Bill save successfully. Okay, then close. Now I want to sell. Suppose one person came, I want to product some product. So I will click on add new bill. The bill number I have to give 1231010. Today is the bill date, customer name. So I can give the customer name is Oniket. Then product, add new product. So I have to sell that COVID-19. So I will give that C19. So I'll click. Then how much quantity? 50 is available because I have purchased 50. So I'll say 5 I want to sell. So I will give the 5. Then save. So you want another product. So I'll click add new. Which product you want? So you want candy. You say 45 I have purchased. So I want to sell say 10 quantity. So I will save. So total amount came 52750. Now you have to save the bill. Click on save. Bill successful. Okay, close. Now sales return. Suppose sales return, you have to find that bill. Bill not found. Add sales return this no. So whatever the bill you have to first find the bill number. Okay, so then you can just check in the report also. Like sales register. Show report. So these are the different bills there. Okay. Now say I want to say reports of stock statement. Show report. I want to see particular stock by the supplier, all suppliers. Or if you know the particular supplier name, you can search that particular person. 55. And so on. Okay. My purchase register. So whatever I have purchased, I can see there like the supplier name and what is the amount. Then stock with expiry. So whatever the expiry date is already expired, so that will show here. Okay. This data I will be showing. So this you have to search by the supplier name. Now there is a call supplier payment. Okay. So you have to find the bill number basically. So based on you can find. So if I don't know the bill number, then it will be tough. So I will just go to the database and check the bill number. So you have to use purchase bill number. So there will be different tables. Okay. This is the purchase. This is the bill number. So whatever bill you have created, you can display it. Like this bill I have created 1002. So I will just use that only. Get details. So it will come. Total amount, everything will come. Based on bill number I have to key. So amount, payment date say 2 days. So I will pay 40,000. Okay. And cash or say 20,000. We can pay the part to runners. 20,000. I will click add. First I have to click on add them. Okay. 20,000 and then cash then save. If I again use the same bill number, it will come. One payment is there. Amount, whichever amount. So you can. So I want to add another payment. Next. So date change or 5,000. So you can part payment. So select mode of cash. So, so if you give the bill number, you will see two payment is there. Okay, one is 20,000, one is 5,000, and last payment details also display. Now there is a staff master also there. Okay, so staff master. This is the staff master. So I have a staff, means counter staff, accounting. So click on add new. Say, let me take the staff name. Employee ID A001. Address and invoice. And date of join. Whatever date, suppose. And salary, say 10,000. So, so this is 3 employees there. You double click, you will get the details. Okay, now I want to make a payment of the staff. So I will click on staff payment. So I will click on add new. Voucher number I can give 1001, employee name. So once I type the employee name, it will automatically come. So there is only one employee related to start with A. So you come payment for advance traveling. I will do traveling payment month. So June, and payment date amount. So I will give 250 rupees. Payment mode cash. That's traveling. So this record will save in the database. Okay, so you can check further. Okay, now there will be calci. It is just call that calci, the system calci. Suppose staff want to calculate something, so you can calculate easily. Okay. Now other, what is this is a project. Basically, this project is used by that medical shop. You can check his inventory, search the inventory. So you can search directly product. You can search the product like protein, whatever it is there. So, okay. And you can sell, purchase, entry, everything can be done from the system, and all details will be stored in the database. Okay, so once you buy this project, you will get all that files. This installation guides, project requirements also. It's a very simple project and useful project. Okay, so you can use for your university or your academic or learning purpose.